Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial video. On this video I will show you how to set up the NVR to motion recording only, because by default the NVR will be set to continuous recording. So the first step that you need to do is go into the main menu. Under record, go to record schedule, and then from here you'll notice that continuous recording is enabled, and you'll see all 24 hours. It's going to be a blue bar across. To select motion, check on the motion on the right hand side and simply click this icon right here beside the all button, and you will notice that everything will turn green from 0 to 24. That's Sunday to Saturday recording days. Once you're done, you click apply, and you can also copy the settings across the channels if you want to apply it to all the channels. Once you're done on this page, next thing you need to do is go into the alarm tab and select motion detection. From here you can enable the motion detection, and we have different event actions that you can choose from or enable if you want to. We have push message to app, allows you to receive notification from the app. Pop-up on message to monitor, that means there's a message that will show up on the live view. Email, you will receive the email. Buzzer, we have the beeping sound from the DVR or NVR. FTP, that records to an FTP server if you have the FTP enabled. The PTZ is to toggle a PTZ or set up a PTZ and call a preset from a PTZ. Full screen, it brings the window or the camera to a single screen, allowing you to see that motion on that camera only. Alarm out is another way of triggering a relay. And then enable the event recording is what we also need to enable for motion recording. So just make sure that the recording channel matches the channel number of whatever you have selected. So if you're on channel 2, this must be channel 2 as well, so it doesn't record on different channels. Okay, once you're done, you can click apply on this page. Next, you need to go to the detection area, and this is where you can highlight the area or portion of the camera you want to record motion. If you see everything is highlighted, that means it's recording on all area of the screen or the camera, and you can set the sensitivity here to high or low, medium, high, or highest. Then you can click apply again. Next, you need to go to schedule, and you have to make sure the schedule is set to all 24/7. Click apply, and you'll notice that should start recording on motion. And you'll see on the top that there is a recording icon, and then there's a motion icon there. Okay, so that's how you set up the motion recording on the NVR, and that's how easy it is. Okay, thank you for watching and have a good day.